Good morning. Now we are going to see about activity diagrams. Activity diagram is one of the dynamic diagram in UML. Activity diagram shows the sequential and parallel activities in a process. They are useful for modeling business processes, workflows, data flows, and complex algorithms. So this shows the example for activity diagram for video ordering. There are several notations specified here. This straight line shows the partition. Partition is used to represent the parallel activities. So these are the parallel activities in the process. So the process is ordering of video. And this shows the one partition shows the sequential activities in the activity diagram. So this shows the sequential activities and the partition shows the parallel activities in the activity diagram. So the activity diagram is very useful for modeling business processes, workflows, data flows, and complex algorithms. Several notations are used here. This is the start symbol, start of the activity, and this is action symbol, which is shown in rounded rectangle. Action means it does something. So there is an automatic transition on its completion. When the activity or when the action is completed, there is an automatic flow. And this flow is represented using the transition line. So the transition shows the modeling of control flow. And this is the fork symbol. This represents the fork symbol. It shows one incoming and multiple outgoing parallel transitions of object flow. And this shows the object node. The object node can be produced or used by the actions. So it follows either it follows the action or it precedes the action. And this is the join symbol, which contains multiple incoming flow and only one outgoing transition. And this is the end of this was the end of the activity. Here there will be several node symbols will be shown. Node means which is the command, which is similar to the command line. So through this node symbol we can understand what is the purpose of all the notations used in this activity diagram. So these are the notations used. Start symbol, and this is the stop symbol, and the rounded rectangle shows the activities or the actions specified in the activity diagram, and this symbol shows the transition or control flow between the objects or activity, and the rectangle shows the object node. Multiple incoming transitions and only one outgoing transition shows the join symbol, and this is fork symbol, and the straight line shows the partition. The partition shows the multiple parallel activities in the activity diagram, and this shows the condition, which is similar to the conditional statements available in the programming language. So based on the condition, either one of the control flow will be active. And the next symbol is rake symbol. So which shows the extension of the particular. That is, it represents the expanded activity or this activity contains sub-activity. So the deliver order will contain the sub-activity. It contains this activity contains number of activities inside it. This is the example for rake symbol. So the deliver order contains the sub-activities deliver regular and deliver rush. So the activity diagrams are used to show the sequence of activities as well as parallel activities, and it will be applied to any perspective or purpose, but it is for visualizing business workflows and processes and use cases. And there will be another symbol known as merge. This is a decision and merge. So there is a difference between the condition. The decision contains only one incoming transition and multiple outgoing transition. Like the focus also contains one incoming and multiple outgoing transitions. So the difference is in 4, it shows the parallel activities. So based on the incoming, the content available in the incoming transition, all the outgoing, there will be a content flows in all the outgoing transitions. But in decision symbol, based on the condition flows in the incoming transition, either one of the outgoing transition will be active, other will not be active. So that is the difference between condition and the flow. Like that, there will be a difference between join and the merge. So in join, it is used to join all the incoming transitions, and it will combine all the incoming transitions, and it will produce the outgoing transition. But in merge, if any one of the incoming will be active, then the outgoing transition will be performed. So this is the difference between merge and the symbols. And these are the overall notations or symbols used in the activity diagram. So the activity diagram is mainly used to specify the sequential and parallel activities of a process, and it is also useful for modeling business processes because the business process contains the sequential and both the sequential and parallel activities. It will contain several modules. So the modules can be represented as parallel activities, and it is also used to specify the workflows, data flows. The data flow diagram can be replaced by the activity diagram in UML, and it is also used to show the complex algorithms or complex activities. Thank you.